morning. Welcome to our November 8, 2021 class. So for our lesson today, we will be learning about the letter G. Before we start with the letter G, let's count from 1 to 30. So count together with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Did you count with teacher? Great job. We will be now practicing counting from 1 to 30 every time we have class. So remember, I said that we will be learning about the letter G. Very good. And what is the sound of the letter G? G, G, G. Very good. So we have our capital letter G, the big letter G, and we also have our lowercase letter G or the small g. And they all make the sound G, G, G. Next, here we have pictures that begin with the letter G. We have G is for gems. G is for gift. G is for glue. G is for gate. G is for grapes. G is for glasses. G is for giraffe. G is for glove. And G is for globe. All of these pictures begin with what letter again? Letter G. Very good. So now that we know what pictures begin with the letter G, we can make our letter G Play-Doh mat. So kindly get your letter G Play-Doh mat and let's make our capital and lowercase letter G. So if you don't want to use your Play-Doh, you can use your dabber or your markers to make a rainbow letter G. Let's also make lowercase letter G using the same colors that we have. I am now done with my letter G. I will now cover the pictures that start with the letter G. So we have G is for gumball machine. G is for garbage. G is for guitar. And lastly, G is for gate. The pair is not included, so we will mark an X because pair begins with what letter? Letter P. Very good. Are you done with your Play-Doh mat? If you're not yet done, it's okay. Just pause the video now. Now, let's proceed to our letter G hat. So we have to first trace the capital and the lowercase letter G, and we will paste the pictures that start with the letter G, just like G is for gate, G is for goat, and G is for girl. So all three pictures begin with the letter G. Finished? Very good. Now, it's time for us to look for our capital and our lowercase letter G. So don't forget, we have to write our name first. So let's write our name here on top. And let's look for our capital, big letter G, and our small letter G. So you can use your dabber, dab only one time so that the paper will not get wet and it will not rip. I found all of the capital and the lowercase letter G. How about you? Oh, very nice. Now it's time for us to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I found 12 letter G's. Did you also find 12? Very good. That's so nice. So let's have an activity first before we start writing our capital letter G. So here, Teacher Sarah has to sort the letters. So I have capital letter G here and lowercase letter G. So let's begin. This one, is this capital or lowercase? It's lowercase, so it should be here on the right side. How about this one? Capital or lowercase? Capital on the other side. This one, capital or lowercase? Capital again. It should be here. How about this one? Capital or lowercase? Capital? Are you sure? No, it's lowercase letter G. How about this one? Capital or lowercase? Capital letter G again. This one, capital or lowercase? Lowercase letter G. Capital or lowercase? Capital. Capital or lowercase? Capital again. Last two, capital or lowercase? Lowercase letter G. And last one, capital or lowercase? Lowercase letter G. Wow! Thank you for sorting with teacher. Now it's time for us to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found 5 capital letter G's. How about the lowercase? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 lowercase letter G. Now that we already know our capitals and our lowercase, how about we practice writing our capital letter G? So kindly get your whiteboards and your whiteboard markers so we can make our capital letter G. So we start at the top, we go around, go up, and go in. We make the letter G with a grin. Let's start again. Start at the top. We go make a big curve. We go up and make a line going in. We have capital letter G. Let's do that again. We go around, up, and go in. We have capital letter G. Practice writing capital letter G 3 times on your whiteboard. And if you're done, it's time for us to write our capital letter G on this tracing worksheet. So no need to rush, okay? You have to do it properly and slowly so that your capital letter G will not look funny. Make your capital letter G look very nice. Just like that. Okay? Already done? Finish writing your capital letter G? Wow, that was so fast. Okay, let's proceed to the next work. So we have our letter G is for giraffe. So after tracing our name, we have to trace the word giraffe. We also have to color our giraffe. You can use different colors if you like. And we have to color our capital letter G and our lowercase letter G after. And when we're done with this, we are going to have tracing lines, and also trace and write our capital letter G. So you can take your time working on these worksheets because you can just pause the video if you're not yet done. Don't forget to shake your hands if your hands are tired. After tracing and writing, you will be sorting your capital letter G and your lowercase letter G. Okay, you can now pause the video now so you can finish your work. Finish? Wow! Now let's have our count and graph together. Let's start with the capital letter G. Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, so we should make 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one, I'll switch to a different color. Let's look for lowercase letter G. 1, 2, 3. 3 only, so let's make 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Now let's proceed to the gloves. Mark and count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's look for the grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 grapes, 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's look for the glasses. This time, 1, 2, 2 only. So 2 dots. 1, 2. Now let's look for the gifts. Let's mark and count. 1, 2. Still 2, 2 dots. 1, 2. And for the last picture, we have the globe. Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish also, just like teacher. Wow naman. Okay, let's have our capital and lowercase letter G. So remember, use only one color. So let's look for capital letter G first, or the big letter G. The other letters are not included because letter G is our friend for the day. Capital letter G. Oopsies. Almost colored letter C. Okay, I found all of the capital letter G's. How about you? Wow, very nice. Let's proceed to lowercase letter G this time. So let's color lowercase letter G. Lowercase letter G. There's a lot of lowercase letter G here. Okay, we found all of them. Finish also. Very nice. So we found capital and lowercase letter G. We can now have the last worksheet, which is looking for the missing picture. So here it says capital letter G should be color pink. So all the capital letter G should be pink. So maybe you can use your dabber for this one, so your hands will not get tired. Just make sure not to make your paper very wet so that it will not rip. So we will color all the capital letters. Capital letter G, color pink. Okay, all done with color pink. Let's have color purple for our lowercase letter G, and let's see what the hidden picture is. Okay, I am all done. How about you? Not yet? That's okay. Can you look at Teacher Sarah's screen first? What is the hidden picture? It is the grapes. Very good. The G is for grapes. And if you're already done, you can get your friend. So your classmates already got their friend. How about you? maybe teacher will give you the Iron Man friend for today. Because you finished all of your work, you can now rest and I will see you again on Wednesday. Bye-bye!